Welcome to this tech support video on how to create a bi-weekly post in your leadership portfolio. So I'm going to walk you through how to create this page. So you can see I've got my skills assessment at the top. I've got my 2 weekly planners. We already created the leadership homepage as well as a page, but I'm going to show you how to create a new one. So I'm going to go over here to pages, and I'm going to go to leadership, and I'm going to create a subpage. And this is going to be September 5th to September 16th. Blank page. We know that all these pages are just title only. Fix that. Okay, so I need content for this. So I am going to go away from my portfolio for a moment. I'll leave it open up here in the tab so I don't have to go find it. I've got a shortcut to leadership. This is our production page. So on the production page, I have this document portfolio post. It's got exactly what needs to be on it, but the two items you need, other than the actual documentation of what you've done, which you have to create, is right here. The biweekly planner and the biweekly, and that should say skills. So I'm going to make sure that gets done right. Skills template. I'll publish my page because we know you have to hit publish is the equivalent of hitting save. Okay, so I am going to open a biweekly planner template, and I'm going to make a copy of it and share it. So make a copy. I'm going to name this September 5th to September 16th. I'm going to save this in my leadership portfolio folder. I have a lot more folders than you, but CHS leadership. I go to the specific year, and then I go to portfolio, and then I go to my weekly planners. You can see last week's are in there. Select and make a copy. Immediately, I'm going to get rid of the other one so I don't get confused. And before I do anything, I'm going to share it. Because again, if it's not shared properly, no one's going to be able to see it, and therefore no one's going to be able to give you an evaluation. So I'm going to share it. Anyone with the link. Done. I'm going to make a copy of that because I haven't written anything in here. Make a copy, and that's going to be the following week. Or actually, this is incorrect. It should have been September 5th to the 9th, and then September 12th to the 16th. Okay, so forgive me for my mistake prior, but again, it goes into weekly planners. Make a copy. Okay, and right when this one pops up, I want to make sure I share it right away. It's going to be anyone with the link. Done. Okay, so now I've got those two planners. And if I go back here, I've got my biweekly skills template. I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to open that up. This is biweekly. This is for 2 weeks. So when I make a copy of that, my dates will be right. And this is going to be September 5th through September 16th, skills. Click on my portfolio, back it off one. There's my biweekly skills, and I put it in there. Close the original. Verify that it's in the right spot. Biweekly skills. There it is. There's the date. Good. I'm in good shape. Share. Anyone with the link? Done. All right. Now I've created what I need. This would be figuratively the first Monday of a 2-week cycle. You just get all this done. Go back to my portfolio. And now I'm in the insert part of it. So I will open there's my first week, and I'm going to change this. This would be to the 9th. Okay, and I put my name, and I put the date. And if you're wondering, like, hey, do I need to be, spell things right and so on? The answer is yes. 5th through the 9th. So everything that we see on here is just that 1 week. Okay. I'm going to grab that address and copy it. I'm going to go back to my portfolio and go to embed. Oops, sorry. I want to put this in first. So I'm going to grab that, copy, embed. I'm going to paste the address in for the spreadsheet, insert. Now I'm ready for my first weekly planner for the 2-week cycle. Embed, paste, insert, scale. I'm going to split those perfectly in half. I go to my second planner. Again, I verify public. Yep. Grab the address, portfolio, embed, paste, insert. Again, it's way too big, so I'm going to scale it. Slide it up next door. These guys should be, the same size. So when we hit publish, it looks good. Okay, so I'm going to go and just preview. Again, going to my little computer. Preview. There's my September 5th through 16th skills. Okay. And I've got my 2 weekly evaluations. I'm missing my title, so I'll put that in. So I'm just going to click text box. It's going to put it right in between them because I had that highlighted, but it could put it down there. You just slide it up. And I'll make that a heading. And remember, publish is the equivalent of hitting save. If you don't hit publish, you're the only one that's going to see any of this. I hit publish. It shows me what I had and what I had and what I will have. Publish. Okay, so now I can look. Again, I've got my skills. I've got my weekly planners. And then it's really up to you. After that, you need to start putting below that examples of what you're actually accomplishing. So when you're ready to update, all you have to do is go to your drive. I'm going to open this. You can open it right from your portfolio, or you can go to your drive folder. I open it, and on Monday, I start building my plan. What do we got going as a class? I lay it out, and I also lay out what my weekly goals are going to be, as well as what should I be preparing for. I might be engaged in both homecoming things as well as, say, club fair. Club fair is right now, homecoming's 2 weeks, 3 weeks out, and yes, I'm doing both things at the same time. All right, there you have it. A bi-weekly portfolio post for leadership.